I'm Shauna Segerson, and I am the EPSO specialist for Arlington Community Schools. At the high school, we actually offer a wide variety of courses that students can get college credit for while they're in high school, as opposed to waiting until they get into college. So I'm kind of over all of that: AP, dual enrollment, dual credit, and our industry certifications. AP is a college level course that is taken here on campus at our high school campus. And the big difference between it is it's very rigorous, but that there's an AP exam at the end of it. So you have to pass that exam with a specific score to get the college credit for it. Then our dual enrollment, that you are enrolled at both the college and our high school at the same time, and you just take the course like normal. So it's either a professor from the college is on campus here, or one of our teachers is an adjunct. So it's college level courses. And then the third one is dual credit, and that one is we have a partnership with our local college, Southwest. And so what happens is they take the normal course in high school, but it actually applies, then they get that same credit. They do have to take an exam at the end to go ahead and get that credit as well. We offer 4. So we have personal finance, wellness, business management, and welding.
I'm Miss Parham, and I teach calculus, a dual enrollment, college algebra, calculus, and a dual credit pre-calculus. Since they started, I think it's been probably 10 years. Okay, so the statewide dual credit goes through the state. There's no cost, and you just take a challenge exam at the end of the year, and if you pass it, you get college credit. If not, it's just like taking pre-calculus. But you get a 5.0 for an A, 4 points added to your grade, that kind of stuff. The dual enrollment is actually you're dually enrolled between our school and Memphis. So you actually get a transcript from Memphis, you get a grade from Memphis that could transfer to any college. So.
Wait, don't ask the question yet. Does dual credit only go for schools in the state?
So the dual credit, it's guaranteed at all public colleges in Tennessee, but then if you go, like say somewhere in Alabama, you can ask them if they'll take it. And the state's real good about like providing the curriculum so they can see if they'll accept it. So they have accepted it in other colleges as well. I think the hardest part about dual credit, I mean, the workload I think is similar to AP or honors, but we only use a baby calculator. So our calculator is like tiny, and it adds, subtract, multiply, divide, and square root. So it doesn't have a fraction key, it doesn't have any trig keys, so I think, or graphing, so I think that's the part that takes a little bit getting used to. I like the challenge of it, I like the math part of it. It's a fun class overall. I wouldn't say the planning part of it's different. I do think there are workarounds sometimes, because like a logarithm problem, you can't work all the way to completion because you don't have that logarithm function on the calculator. So there's a little bit of workarounds you have to get used to, but overall it's the same workload. Well, in the math world, or here at our school, they're just totally different levels. So the dual credit is pre-calculus, which you have to have before you can take the dual enrollment, because it's college algebra, but then it's also calculus.
So what would you recommend to like incoming students trying to take the dual courses?
So for dual credit, I would say just really sharpen your fraction skills and your graphing skills, because you won't have that calculator to fall back on. And then dual enrollment, I feel like it moves really quickly because you're on that college schedule. So it's nothing for like the professor to come in and teach 2 or 3 sections in one day. So you just really have to stay on top of your homework, because your tests are going to come pretty quickly. And then your grade is really based only on tests and then a homework average.